Good evening, everyone. My name is Tim, and we might kick off tonight's session talking about all things engineering management, and in particular, postgraduate degrees, the Masters. We're proud at SCU to say that we've got a brand new engineering precinct, and we have some online learning facilities which are just right up your alley if you are looking to advance your career, and if you are looking at studying an engineering management course. We are a very young university, essentially, but we are ranked very, very highly amongst our world peers. Over the course of the years that we've been around, we've now managed to climb into the top 100 young universities worldwide, and that's something that we are very, very proud of. We're also very much looking after you guys, and that's looking after our students. We do offer a 5-star student support when it comes to studying at Southern Cross University. Look, and our research is second to none, especially within our School of Science and Engineering. We do achieve some great results there, and these results are the maximum scores that you can achieve in some of these world university rankings. And these are done by the Times Higher Education World Rankings, as well as the Good University Guide here in Australia. These are based on 2020 results as well. So thank you very much for joining us today. We are excited to talk about this particular degree. For the purpose of this particular session, I do encourage that you do just keep your microphone off during the actual presentation, and we'll kick off with some Q&A later in the session. We're also joined by some of our SCU staff today who'll be able to answer and comment on a lot of our courses and a lot of the entry requirements into this particular course. So sit back, relax, and we'll take you on a journey through Southern Cross University and the world of engineering that we offer. At Southern Cross University, we do have campuses nationwide. So if you're looking to study in one of our metropolitan centres, that's perfect for you. Our home base is definitely home in Lismore. Lismore is a lush rainforest-based campus, and it is where our engineering precinct is located. It's where the academics that are looking to teach you are located, and that's where they will make sure that you get the best tuition possible. Our Coffs Harbour campus is also a great precinct if you are looking to study by the ocean, and you can use any of the facilities as long as you're a student of Southern Cross University at any of our campuses. We also boast a great marine science centre down at our Coffs Harbour campus. Our newest campus is the Gold Coast campus, however, and that is just across the border in Queensland. It is home to 3 large-scale buildings. They're tall skyscraper-style buildings, and they are located on the southern end of the Gold Coast. So a fantastic place to spend your time and a fantastic place to study at Southern Cross University. But like I said, we are located and we have study facilities in all of our metropolitan regions throughout Australia. So that's just one of the options at studying at SCU. Look guys, I touched on it a little bit before, but at SCU we offer some great teaching qualities, and we provide professional recognition in a lot of our education degrees, postgraduate education degrees, social work and health, just to name a little bit. We also offer a lot of recognition when it comes to our Masters of Education as well. We have 5-star postgraduate support, and we provide you the skills to develop, and we've got a great graduate salary attached to it as well. So that's just one of the great things that we offer here at Southern Cross University. We also provide you with personal one-on-one support. So if you are looking to refresh some of those educational skills, if you are looking to brush up on some of the academic skills, looking to brush up on some of the mathematics skills, then look, our one-on-one support at our campuses is a great way that you can ensure that you're getting the best tuition and that you are achieving your high dreams of high distinctions or credits or distinctions, whatever it may be. Look, we've got over 60 postgraduate courses at SCU, and our Masters of Engineering Management is just one of those ones. It's a very, very popular course that we're currently offering at the moment. And you know, some of our academics in the field are world renowned in what they do, and they'll bring their knowledge directly to you in that particular setting. Touched on it a little bit before, but Southern Cross University is a very flexible university, and that means that we give you guys the opportunity to study how you wish to study. We're obviously living in some very crazy times at the moment, and everyone's kind of adjusting to certain situations that that ensure that they, you know, can achieve what they're looking to achieve and get the best results out of themselves. And the way that we assist you in doing that is we provide you with flexibility and we provide you with support. So whether you are looking to come onto one of our campuses and use our facilities, study online, or do a combination of both, that's entirely up to you. We also give you the option to study full time, knock it over really, really soon, or take your time and progress through the campus across our 6 study periods in an intensive teaching calendar, if you so wish. We've also got access to academic skills and learning support, as well as our mental health and physical health support services are available to you as well. Our health clinics, wellness facilities, grab a massage, go for a swim in the pool, have a drink at the bar. If you are looking to study on campus, those are some of the things that we can offer you along the way. One of the associations that we encourage all of our students that are studying a postgraduate course at Southern Cross University, we encourage you to jump in and participate in our Southern Cross Postgraduate Association. And basically this is peer-to-peer, and we let postgrads help postgrads succeed. So this mission is to definitely advance your career through Southern Cross University, advance your study experience through Southern Cross University, and to provide some help and advocacy along your way. They provide lots and lots of different training sessions, workshops, provide you the resources to succeed along the way. And they have representation across Australia as well as international as well. So you'll be looking at working along and working amongst peers as well as people both here and overseas. Just one of the ways that we like to help you guys along. But before I steal the thunder too much, and we will get into the nitty-gritty of this particular session, I would like to introduce Lou. Lou is here. She's going to have a little bit of a conversation about the course. So I will hand it over to Lou now. Thank you, Lou. Hi, Lou, we should be good to go now. We're just waiting on your audio to come through. I might just jump back in there, Lou. I'm not too sure where we're at with this session, and I hope it's all coming back to me now. Look, the Masters of Engineering Management is a course offered through. We might have sound from Lou. Just checking there, Lou.
Hi, Tim. Can you hear me? This is Shalu here. I can take over if you want.
Thank you very much, Shalu. Away to you.
Perfect. So we're talking about Masters of Engineering Management. So say hi to everyone. Good evening to everyone there for participating in today's presentation. So basically, the Masters of Engineering is going to lead you to the future challenges out there. So what we talk about here is this course is 100% online with us. Also, you'll be able to finish this in 16 months. So with the students out there at this time who are looking to study, going with the SCU online, doing Master of Engineering Management is a really good choice. Who doesn't want to go out there in the practical world at this time? So looking at this, our course is also, the units may count towards the CPD with Engineers Australia. And also looking with this, it's one of Australia's most affordable degrees of its kind. Now, so we are spread it out. We have got 6 intakes in a Now, thinking about the course itself, so the learning outcomes is business administration skills. You will be working towards becoming an effective, so adopting the sustainable perspective of it. So it is very challenging, and it is pretty much full on, but at the same time, it is very flexible learning structure, and it allows you to balance your work, family, and study lifestyle as well. So this degree basically will allow you to understand the engineering background of it and the business and administration skills side of it. So it less of it, it does not talk too much about the practical side of the technical side of the engineering, but towards the management side of it. The important thing about this is that you'll be learning about the sustainable future of the engineering industry itself, the infrastructure, the management side of it as well. Now, so 8 units course, it is 100% online, and we don't have any exams. It's all based on assignments and quizzes, which most of the time you can actually utilize your own practical experience to put forward for your case studies, for your assignments and quizzes as well. So it's not all about theory work out there, but you can use your own general knowledge, your experience, and make it of a good use there. And also talking about this, any business skills, any experience you have had in past, you can put it forward towards this as well. So engineering will lead you talking all about the projects, the business, the management style, putting it all together to have a better understanding of, like, you know, the strategy, the cases out there. Now, this course, we do have early exit options as well. So say, for example, if you're doing Masters of Engineering Management, say doing after 4 core units, something has come up and you cannot proceed with this anymore, you can apply for early exit. So we are flexible with that as well. Or if you want to defer it, put it on a hold, come back later and finish that off, you can do that as well. So we do take care of people's needs as well out there, because if times like this, everything's happening, and we do consider to be flexible with that as well. So you can do 4 units and apply for early exit with graduate certificate, and then come back later. You want to continue with it, do another 4 units, you have your masters. Likewise, if you want to climb up the ladder step by step, you do 4 units and you gain your graduate certificate, and then you do another 4 units, you have your masters. So there's both options that you can go forward to in getting your Masters of Engineering Management degree. Now, And the fees is pretty much affordable as well, looking at that. Um, the fees is $2,700 per unit, and you can go through with the fee help, which is available for the students who are Australian citizens. So you can pay for the unit as you go. You can either pay by yourself or choose to go with the fee help. Now, and so basically, in order to go ahead with this, you will need to send in the application. You can get hold of one of us, the student success advisors who are out there. You can talk to us. We'll give you more information and detail with it, and go ahead with the application. Now, in order to go ahead with that, I'll now pass it on to Tim, and who will further fill you up on how about to go with this. Over to you, Tim.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, it is a really, really simple process in order to apply at Southern Cross University. Simply, all you need to do is jump onto our website, choose the course that you're wanting to do, find it. It's a pretty easy website to navigate around. The application itself has two parts attached to it. You essentially click the Apply Now button. It then asks you to register all of your personal details. So fill it out. And then the second part will ask you to choose the course you're wanting to do and submit any documentation that's attached to it. So it's pretty simple. You register, you choose the course and the campus location, whether it be online, and which study period you're wanting to do it in, and then by uploading your documentation, it goes through then to our admissions team. Our admissions team will get back to you pretty soon, so it'll only take about 5 to 10 working days to assess your application. The great thing is as well is they'll work a little bit with you. So whatever documentation you do upload, they'll get in touch with you and ensure that what is required is what you've actually popped into the application itself. So it's